I am about to expose to you how crypto really works and why every single crypto token is a scam. I'm also going to tell you why I don't care that they are scams and why you can still make money even though they're all scams. When a new crypto token comes out, like a new crypto project is started, a new company, let's take for example Cardano, there's always this pie chart that also comes out when the token is launching. Now, what is this pie chart? This is the allocation of the initial token supply. So each token has a maximum supply that can ever be created. Some tokens don't have a maximum supply, and those ones can be printed to infinity, just like the US dollar. But for Cardano specifically, 11.5% of the total supply was allocated to the team. So this means there's a set amount of Cardano that will be in existence, and the team right off spawn, right off the start of this token, got 11.5% of it. Now this is actually very low, okay? That number is very good. That's what you want to see. You want to see the team getting a fair percentage of the token. Now you can also see that they allocated 30.9% to staking rewards, and they allocated 57.6% to the actual ICO. So those are tokens that random people bought. Now let's talk about this and why each token is literally a scam. They create these tokens, they give a percentage to the team, and then they go and convince you to go and trade the token and make the value go up. And then their tokens that they just printed out of thin air and gave themselves that previously were worth nothing are now worth something. Do you get it? This happens with every single crypto unless it's a fair launch, which means the team doesn't get any supply right off the bat, right? But technically, you could generate a token right now with 1 billion supply out of thin air for $200, and you could give yourself 30% of that supply, and the rest goes to the public. But then you go out and you do certain things, you build certain products and all this other stuff, and maybe people start thinking that the token has value. Then the token gets traded, it goes up and up and up while your tokens are increasing. And then the horrible people in crypto, the horrible teams in crypto, they sell off the team's tokens. Right? So the team dumps on your head and is actually selling while you're buying. They're selling their own tokens. Now, obviously, I'm not saying Cardano does this, right? Cardano is an amazing top 10, top 15 project, but I'm warning you for the rest of the tokens. And by the way, I have no issue with this. This is just how crypto works. I'm just showing you the back end of crypto and why basically every token is a scam, because the team is going to be dumping on you the whole time. Now, you also want to look into how much of the team's tokens are locked, because if they're a good team, they're going to lock some of their tokens so they can't even dump it on you. So you want to look at that percentage. How much is the team getting? And number two, you're going to look, are the team's tokens locked, right? I recently participated in investing in an early project called Emerald. It's now pretty dead, but the team actually locked their tokens for 1 year, which I thought was very bullish, because dang, they don't want to dump on you, and they think this is a more long-term project. Now, here's why I don't care. Number one, this is how crypto works. Number two, you can still make tons of money, right? The team ultimately wants the token price to go up, because then they are rich, right? If they got 11% of the supply, or 30%, 20%, they're going to be rich. Here's the other thing you want to look for. This is a very simple spread, right? There's only 3 parties involved. There's staking rewards, there's the ICO, and there's the team. Usually this has a bunch of other people and entities cut into that pie chart, right? So look at the name of each one and be like, okay, will the team have access to this supply too? Because, right, if this said marketing and there was like 5% for marketing, well, the team controls the marketing. So, if there was a 5% here, that would mean the team is actually has 16% available to them. But that's how this works. Don't get tricked, folks. Be careful.